Bloom explosion, guys. Big news from the Bloom ecosystem as they launch the Bloom Memepad. Bloom is not just another roadside play to earn project, but a crypto project that changes everything in the play to earn industry. In this video, let's discuss the Bloom Memepad, which is the latest update right now in the Bloom ecosystem. All of this in this video. And by the way, if you are not mining Bloom right now, you are missing out big time. So don't regret not mining in the future. The link to this airdrop in the description of this video, and that will be the first link. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto updates like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to the Bloom mini app here and join the community, and you read this very second to the last message, Blum Memepad has officially reached over 7 million users. We are rolling it out gradually to ensure everything runs smoothly, no bugs, just seamless meme token creation in seconds. Stay tuned. Big things are coming this week. This is crazy. And remember, nothing of this sort have been done before in the crypto industry, that you can create a meme token on Telegram. This is so amazing. And the reason why I am actually looking at Bloom to explode hard in this very bull market, and I will talk about the price prediction later in this video. So if I start the Bloom mini app, if you come to this very area where you see Memepad, before now creating a meme token was very difficult and tedious, and creating a meme token that is ERC20 compatible and also that runs on the Ethereum virtual machine was very tedious. But right now, you can create your meme token by just clicking right here, launch token. And if you do that, it will take you to where you fill in those parameters, and that's all, with no coding knowledge required. But that will be in the next video. I will talk about this in detail in my next video. I will talk about how to create your own meme token right here. However, if you come right to this very first page, which is fresh, you discover that there are a lot of tokens that have been coming on board right now. This is just live and is fresh. These are tokens that just get the listing and launch right now on the Bloom Memepad. If you look at it, this is already on fire. Look at this very one right here. This is 2.6k dollars in market capitalization. This thing here means market cap. And if you go down, there are a lot of them right now. And as you can see, new token keep coming up almost every second. And if you go down a little bit, you see that the list keep going just like that, because new tokens are coming up almost every seconds. Look at it here. The list keep going, just like that. And this is very interesting and a big news from the Bloom ecosystem. This is one of the reasons why I think the Bloom token is going to do very well at launch. Remember, we are still mining this very token, and if you are not mining, please jump on board right now and start mining and get this token for free before it hits the market. If you come to this very section where you see hold, so under hold, you see tokens that have already been listed that have a very large market capitalization. Look at this first one here, USAC. This is $862.3 thousand. Very soon, this is going to hit a $1 million capitalization on Bloom Memepad. Remember, the Bloom Memepad is a new application, and if you look at it, if this hit a $1 million market cap, it means that the Bloom ecosystem is actually creating a lot of ways in crypto. Not only that, it's going to change the way we trade meme token, especially using your Telegram app to trade your meme. Not only that, you can create your own meme as well. And the list keep going down. You see, from 862.4k market capitalization, the market capitalization goes down from here all the way to the downside. Just like that, it keep going all the way down and the list keep going all the way to the downside. And market capitalization is increasing, and as we see more adoption, the market cap of the tokens right here is going to definitely increase all the way to the upside. And this is very, very interesting and a major shift by the Blum team right now. More reason why you need to take your Blum mining very, very seriously. If you click on this blooming, you discover there are other tokens here as well, which are new listed token. And then you go further to click on this bloomed. If you click on bloom, we also have other tokens as well. And you see my tokens. My tokens here is where you see your transaction. That is, if you buy or you launch a token, it will reflect right here, which I have not done yet, which I will do. And one important thing right here is if you go back to this very area where you see fresh, remember this fresh is where you see newly listed tokens. And like I said, this is happening almost every second. As you can see right here, every token listed here is going live and live on chain, reflecting here almost every second. People are launching their own meme coins, launching their own meme token. It's amazing. You can take advantage of this. If you have had intention before now to launch your own meme token, you can launch your own meme token right away, which I will do a video this very week or next week on how to properly launch your own meme token using the Blum Memepad. The blockchain that is powering all of this is the Ton blockchain. And that is why the Ton ecosystem is really drastically changing the way we view things, especially launching a meme token. And remember, it is a very complete decentralized open network for all crypto traders if you really want to take advantage of the meme token revolution that is happening right now. So this is a key things to take advantage of right now if you want to launch your own meme token. A lot of update is going to come on this, like the Blum team rightly stated. A lot of updates, modifications are going to come on this very Blum Memepad. So stay tuned, and I'll also be updating you on this very channel, which is very, very important. Bloom price prediction. Markets have increased drastically in recent times, especially after the launch of the Blum Memepad up to 0.009 and almost hitting 0.01, which is very crazy. We've seen this token at 0.004 and 0.003 in the past, and right now there is a huge increase to 0.008, as you can see, and 0.009, almost hitting 0.01, which is something very, very huge. Volume coming up right now. Remember, the Bloom token have a total supply of 100 billion tokens. And if you read this statement, the current token credential is issued based on a total supply of 100 billion. After the token is listed, the system will conduct a settlement based on the actual supply of tokens and the delivery outcomes of pre-minters. Now, this is basically talking about the people participating in the pre-market and also people that is actually mining this very token, which are pre-minters. The most important thing for us right now is this very total supply of 100 billion, because if we have 100 billion total supply and we don't really know what Bloom is going to do according to their own roadmap, maybe they're going to give 60% to airdroppers or 70%, 80%, 90%, as the case may be, to airdroppers. Nobody knows yet, but I think they want to give majority of this very token to airdroppers so that it can be a community token, because the Bloom team have been hitting on the Bloom token as a community token, and also the Bloom project is a community project. One important thing right here is if we look at what is really going on chain and what is going on at pre-market, we can say that if Bloom have 100 billion total supply, 100 billion total supply, okay, and multiply that 100 billion total supply, let's assume the 100 billion total supply is equal circulating supply. That means Bloom is going to release the entire 100 billion into circulation, which if they do with good liquidity is going to help the token in the future, so that people don't have this mind of there are still token locked and will be released in the near future, which can cause a lot of panic when it will unlock. So if we assume that 100 billion total supply equal circulating supply, then we can say that if you multiply this by what is already going on as pre-market, which is this, is this possible for Bloom? Yes, it's possible, but this is on the high side. I think this is on the high side. And what I am personally looking at is different from this, in as much as I know that Bloom is not another play to earn project that want to just hit and run, collect money off the table from airdroppers or the community and run away to the next project. I still believe that Bloom is going to do very, very well in the heat of the bull market, but at listing, I don't think we're going to see $800 million market capitalization. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a possibility, but this is not what I am personally looking at right now, because $800 million market capitalization is very, very huge and significant. Otherwise, what I am looking at is 0.304, which will give us a $40 million market capitalization, first of all, to 0.309, okay, which will give us a $90 million market capitalization. Then from here, we can see the Bloom token do 0.201, okay, and this is what I am personally looking at. So your price prediction should not be so crazy, okay? Bring things down a little bit and then take example from recent Web3 launch and projects, and then compare it to what we already have. Despite the fact that Bloom is a token that have utility, good team, the expertise, the experience, everything in check, but we don't need to give this a very high prediction or in the way of giving ourselves high hope. Rather, keep things very, very simple. So what I am personally looking at on the Bloom project, and the price prediction for this very project is 0.304 and 0.201. This is what I am looking at right now, especially if the entire 100 billion token is released into circulation, which will give us a $100 million market capitalization, which is a very, very insane and possible scenario right now for the Bloom token. Don't get me wrong as well. I believe the Bloom token is going to do very, very well in the heat of the bull market. Market will go all the way from a $100 million market cap to 200, 300, 500, and even hit a $1 billion market cap and above. But before we see that, the market capitalization have to start somewhere, because it is a new token. So look at a price prediction that is very, very honest. Not only that, that is very, very possible and visible. That is a 0.304 and a 0.201. This is very important for all of us right now that is mining the Bloom airdrop, and continue mining, guys, because this token is going to do well in the heat of the bull market. And at listing, not only that, you're going to be among the first holder of this token, and this airdrop is going to pay. I believe a $300 is possible, and a $500 is possible from the Bloom airdrop, especially for those of us taking this very airdrop seriously right now. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel for more crypto updates, news, technical, and investing strategies. Thanks for watching.